There's only one event on the planet where over 35 of the world's leading medical doctors, naturopathic doctors, nutritionists, scientists, dietitians, researchers, and authors on health and nutrition come together in one place to bring you the exact information you need to help prevent disease and add years to your life. And what's more, it's all for free. We don't even take your credit card. These are the experts who deliver the unbiased, real truth on keeping yourself healthy in a world of toxins in uncertain times. So every day, for 10 straight days, you'll see 4 individual 90-minute lectures, each one followed by 30 minutes of Q&A, where you'll get to ask your questions of these speakers live. And don't miss our all-star super panels every night, the only place on the globe where these world-leading experts join together to speak about the most important health issues of our time. Never before has the information you'll learn here meant more to you and your family than right now. And it couldn't be more easy. Simply go to therealtruthabout.health.com, click the yellow button, then join us live online for the Real Truth About Health Conference, April 23rd to May 2nd, 2021. Sign up for free now.